Because all they're going to do is they're going to keep going down as deep as they can over here. They get more of that clay, they're just going to keep spreading it all the way across the dam. And this is pretty much what the finished product's going to look like right here. But we can keep it mowed.
Yeah.
And we can go right through here. Cipriano, ¿cuántos días de trabajo aquí?
¿Cuántos días?
Para la tierra.
Oh, para la tierra. Hay mucho, muy long.
¿Hay mucho tierra ahí?
Yeah,
No, ¿por qué no listo?
allá.
Yeah.
Porque mucho wet, del otro lado. Yeah, más wet.
Mojado todavía.
Yeah.
Todo abajo la tierra.
Abajo la tierra.
¿Por qué de las ramas?
No.
El broche de las ramas.
Ya, quítale las ramas. Cuando un poquito más dor, maybe la atraco.
Oh, voy ahora.
Ya, un poquito.
Bonito.
Yeah.
Muy bonito.
Ya, cuando pone todo, muy bonito.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Uno más pie abajo.
Abajo.
En aquí.
Oh, uno más pie.
Ajá. Quizás 10 pies.
10 pies,
Yeah.
más ancho.
Ajá.
Ya, porque este es muy chiquito.
Necesito más ancho. Más ancho.
Ya, más ancho. Ya.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Are you still draining that pump out there? Are you still trying to drain the water out back down there?
No, they're gonna dig a trench. When they start digging down, they're gonna dig a trench from over here to over there.
Oh.
Let all this water drain over there.
Oh.
And then pump it out into the reservoir or the
Under the road.
Yeah. Ancho aquí.
Ya, sí, más ancho.
Ya.
Ya, yo ponle poquito más tierra aquí.
Ya, sí. Pero usan la tierra ahí.
Ya,
Empuja.
Más que quiere poquito más grueso para que no agua, ¿sabes?
Sí.
Ya, porque muy poquito, maybe el agua otra vez para arriba.
Sí.
Ya, aquí.
Empaque.
Aquí mucho agua. ¿Sabes? Ponle poquito duro aquí. Mucho pompe.
Yeah, we can pump out. Looks good.
Ya. Maybe para allá más bueno, no mucho.
Yeah.
Mucho.
It looks good.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks, Cipriano.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're gonna have to do the same thing here. All those big rocks. I love those big rocks. They need to go in that hole over there. Didn't know there were this many big rocks over here. I wouldn't step down in there. You might go up to your ankles. These big rocks. I love these big rocks.
They are nice. Yeah, it looks like there's a whole section.
Yeah, they're all in here. All in here, these big, huge rocks. I want these, don't you?
Yeah, where are you going to put them? There's ledges everywhere.
Holy mackerel, that's a lot of, looks like sandstone though. I mean, pretty good sized rocks though.
Could we use them over by the dock for stepping stones?
Yeah, but we don't have an excavator, and I don't want to run one of those big excavators across our lines, our golf lines. But I like them. We can use them on the backside, I guess. Maybe. Use it on back of the dam over there, or on.
This is.
I know it's seeping through. See, that's where what he probably did there is he cut down, and then he took that clay and pushed it up in there, and that's what he was actually doing over there.
You see how much it's eroded?
Yeah.
Everything away.
Well, just like right off of the concrete, you know?
Yeah, and then he wouldn't have far to take it. He just sit over there.
Yeah, like stack them in like a little
Look at that.
waterfall.
Yeah. A waterfall.
Yeah, you could actually dig that out and put it down there and make a row, and then it'd fall off that. It'd be pretty, wouldn't it? But we don't want a pretty waterfall with all our fish going down.
Well, we don't want to extend our budget.
No. Yeah, this does need to be about 10 more feet wide, don't you think?
Or for that matter, I guess you could just toss them right over here. So we have more rocks on the dam. You know it?
Yeah. It's just gonna be hard to, I
Then we
gotta
could
spray
sit
all this.
and fish off those big old rocks.
Oh, well, you can fish anywhere here, sweetheart. That's where all these rocks came from. That's the old spillway they built in 1927 when they built this place. I knew the rock wall was there, but wow. Well, I wonder if there's any names in this thing. Reno? R-I-N-O? Wonder who Reno is. Huh. It's all dead. Wonder when that was put in there. Yeah, Reno. R-I-N-O. Oh! Oh, look right here. It says Mike loves Laura. Aww. Well, it's been about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. He's got himself a pretty good hole dug over here, and you can see him in the background behind me going real well. So let's take a look and see where we're at. Alright, so that's the update for this Sunday on the dam construction. So I think Justin's coming by here in a little bit, and we're going to have to give him a check. You want to do that?
No.
It's the only part we don't like is paying for it, but they did a really good job. Cipriano worked all week this week, and he's working by himself. They're doing a good job. As you can tell, they're really getting it down deep and getting a lot of clay. And the back of the dam over here, it's about, I don't know, they got about 100 yards of it done right there. Looks really good. But anyway, thank you guys for joining us on another Sunday update. I had Laura with me today. So love you guys. God bless. Subscribe to the channel. Give us your comments. See what you think. We'll have 1 or 2 updates on the dam, and hopefully we'll be done in a couple of weeks. So love you guys. God bless, and we'll see you later. Bye.